My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. Today we have the 2022 Ford Puma. This vehicle's done just under 65,000 miles. It has a manual transmission and a petrol fuel type. To the left of our steering wheel, we have cruise control as a feature, as well as a keyless ignition. On the right, we have voice control. On the first page of our screen, we can access Bluetooth, navigation, and mobile apps. On the second, we have Apple and Android CarPlay, Ford Pass Connect, and our vehicle settings. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with parking sensors. And just below the screen, we have our AC. The Ford Puma comes with 5 different driving modes to choose from, starting with normal, eco, sport, slippery, and trail. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening hours are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5, and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.